Welcome to BIBA TV. We're here in the office today talking to Graham Trudgill about BIBA's 2012 Manifesto. Graham, tell us all about it.
Well, the Manifesto is BIBA's most important document. It focuses all of the members' key issues into one place, and then we can focus that, take that to government, to the regulator, to the media, to consumer bodies and business bodies, and show them how insurance brokers produce 1% of GDP and then progress all of the issues within it.
So Graham, what are those big issues?
Well, they're split over 4 sections. We've got the consumer section, the business section, the insurance industry section, and then the international section as well.
Let's start with consumer issues, Graham. What are they?
Well, signposting is the first one. This is where we're putting into place an agreement with government that will ensure that if someone's having difficulty accessing insurance because of their age, that they will be signposted by the person selling that insurance to an insurance broker, a member of BIBA, that can genuinely help them. So this agreement should come into place in 2012. We've also got suitable insurance on the agenda. We're very concerned that some people aren't accessing the correct type of cover, and so we're working with consumer bodies and with our members to try and help people find insurance. And then fraud is a big concern. With the economic crisis, we've seen a big increase in the levels of fraud. So we've put out a new guide, but we're also working very closely with the Insurance Fraud Bureau. It's putting everyone's premiums up by about £40 a policy, and it's also really affecting the members as well. So that's something they really want us to focus on. Online trading is also an issue. We're going to continue BIBA's campaign to make sure that customers receive clarity, certainty about what they're actually buying.
You said that business issues were next on the agenda in the manifesto. Tell us about those.
Well, business interruption, business resilience are really important areas. We've worked with the Cabinet Office. We know that about 61% of businesses can benefit if they actually have a business continuity plan. So we're working to promote business resilience. We're also looking at how businesses are vulnerable from risks like floods and catastrophes, and so we're working very closely with government there so that we can demonstrate how insurance brokers can offer this cover. Even when the industry agreement on flooding does come to an end, insurance brokers will be there with a solution. Underinsurance is also a concern. We understand for some loss adjusters that about 50% of cases in some scenarios are underinsured. We really want to raise awareness to make sure that businesses are properly protected.
I'm sure the members really want to hear about the specific issues affecting them. Tell us what you're campaigning for members.
Well, regulation is a massive issue for the members. We've got a change in the regulator. The FSA are going, and the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, are coming in to replace them. So we want to make sure that the new regulator is appropriate, proportionate, and the system of regulation is cost effective for insurance brokers. So that's a big campaign. We're working very closely with government departments to ensure that that happens.
The Financial Services Compensation Scheme, it's been a big campaign issue for you. Where are we and what's next on that one?
Well, the review of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme is a huge issue for members. We had 7,000 members sign a petition asking for change. We presented that to the House of Commons, and we're going to get a review from the FSA in 2012. They're looking at the way the compensation system works, so we're going to present them with a way we think it should look in the future. And what we're after is separation from the insurance brokers, from the other non-professional insurance intermediaries, and an end to cross-subsidy.
What about the issues that brokers have with insurance companies? How are you looking to address those?
Well, BIBA and the ABI, the Association of British Insurers, have created the Broker Insurer Liaison Group. Now, this is going to look at all the issues members raise with us where they want some help with regarding an insurance company issue. So that might be about a terms of business agreement, it might be about the new Employers Liability Tracing Office. Whatever it is, members can come to BIBA, raise these issues, and we're keeping a register and progressing those with the ABI.
Just quickly on the Consumer Insurance Bill, what are you doing on that?
Well, insurance law is over 100 years old, goes back to the 1906 Marine Act. The Law Commission are reviewing insurance law for consumers and for businesses, and that's already started. We want to make sure that members' issues are best represented, as well as their customers as well. So it is progressing, and BIBA's going to have lots of advice of that for members in 2012 as that progresses.
Tell us about the international issues then, that's the final section that you mentioned.
Well, BIBA's London Market Committee is looking at identifying and reducing barriers to international trade. We want to help growth with international business, so it's a really important thing that the committee are looking at over 2012. And we've also got the very important European directive, the IMD, the Insurance Mediation Directive. This sets the rules for UK regulation, and what we want to see is a level playing field for insurance brokers going forward in the future.
Sounds like there's lots of issues on the go, loads of things to be addressed in 2012, Graham. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and listening to us today. If you want more information on the manifesto, you can download it from our website at biba.org.uk. Thank you so much.